guys, welcome back to another video with me, Coffee Break Tutorials. It's literally a coffee break, as you can tell, because I literally just made me a cup of coffee randomly at 2 o'clock in the afternoon because I felt tired and needed a little pick me up. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an exact blend, even though it's pretty simple. You're going to need about 8 photographs for this blend of your celebrity choice. And to show you 2 examples of this blend, this is the one I don't like because of the coloring sucks. This one I really do like, but this was the first attempt. I pretty much came up with this on my own, but I did have some inspiration for Disney. To begin with, you're going to need 3 photos of your photo pack, and you're going to want to make a new document of 800 by 800. Go ahead and grab your celebrity and you're going to resize it. Select the all, edit, copy. Then you're going to paste onto your new canvas, just like so. And you're going to do the same for the following 2. But on the second one, you're going to put it on top of your first one a little bit. And you're going to resize it to where it fits. And you're going to grab your eraser tool and the fuzzy select button on your brush. And you're going to carefully blend it. Merge down. And you're going to want to do the same thing in the last photo. Paste. And erase. And then merge with You're going to want to Control J or Command J on the Mac, depending which one you're using. Edit free transform, scale it down, and you're going to rotate a bit. And then you're going to go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, and just a little bit. Then you're going to go back to the first layer and then move it to the top. Image, adjustment, black and white. And click OK. And then I'm going to want to resize it. And tilt it a little bit. Change it to auto light. And you're going to add a stroke to the color of the clothing of 3 pixels. For this one, grab your circle marquee and select, edit, copy, and then edit, paste inside the circle that you made. And you're going to have to resize the image to fit the circle. You're going to delete that, paste that here, and then add a stroke to the clothing. And then you're going to make 3 more circles with different photos of the photo pack. And in this one, I went ahead and made every other one black and white. Go back to the PSD and grab this layer with the scrub. And place it on there. Double click and select the main color of the outfit. Control J and make sure they're both on top. Yeah, so this one I'm gonna go ahead and make it black. And I'm gonna want to grab this layer and place it on. And this layer. And to change the color to this one, go ahead and select the main color. And Control U and click colorize. Go back and grab the square. Just like that. I'm gonna try to just a bit. And I'm gonna want to make a cutout of your last photo, but you can need to go. And you're gonna change the purple square to gold. And I'm gonna paste. Oops, we forgot to resize it. Let's go back and resize yours real quick. Now you wanna grab it. And you're gonna wanna move it and resize it. Your eraser tool again and gently smooth the edges. Go ahead and grab the bullets. And again, to change this, just doggy select the color and Control U. Go back and grab this tester. And Control U, change the color. And last but not least, add your coloring PSD. You can add text, but I normally don't because I don't even know what to say in the text. So let me go find a couple of PSDs real quick. So this was the final outcome after slapping 2 PSDs on it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want me to make more videos, you can help me motivate myself by subscribing. So subscribe, a thumbs up, and I'll be back soon. Bye.